Cytoplasmic streaming is present in A. Prokaryotes, B. Eukaryotes, C. Animals, D. Both A and C. And the correct answer is B. Eukaryotes. Cytoplasmic streaming is mainly observed in eukaryotic cells. It's the movement of cell contents within the cytoplasm helping distribute organelles and nutrients. The procedure of differential staining of bacteria was developed by A. H. Gram, B. H.C. Gram, C. N.C. Gram, D. H.A. Gram. And the correct answer is B. H.C. Gram. The procedure of differential staining of bacteria was developed by Hans Christian Gram. Gram staining developed by Hans Christian Gram helps differentiate bacteria into two groups, that is gram-negative bacteria and gram-positive bacteria. This differentiation is done based on their cell wall characteristics. This aids in bacterial identification, guided treatment choices, and providing valuable information about the bacteria's response to antibiotics. Bacillus is an example of A. Gram-positive bacteria, B. Gram-negative bacteria, C. Virus, D. Viroid. And the correct answer is A. Gram-positive bacteria. Bacillus is an example of gram-positive bacteria. The viruses that attack bacteria are A. Bacterial viruses, B. Bacterial pathogens, C. Bacteriophages, D. Various. And the correct answer is C. Bacteriophages. Bacteriophages are viruses that specifically infect and attack bacteria. They infuse their genetic material into bacterial cells, hijacking the cell's machinery to replicate and produce more bacteriophages, ultimately leading to the lysis, that is, breakdown of the bacterial cell. Capsule formation occurs in the presence of A. Albumin, B. Serum, C. Charcoal, D. Starch. And the correct answer is B. Serum. Capsule formation in the presence of serum is often a protective response exhibited by some bacteria. The presence of serum mimics conditions found within the host's body, triggering the bacteria to produce a capsule. Gram staining is an example for A. Simple staining, B. Differential staining, C. Negative staining, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Differential staining. The gram stain is a differential staining procedure used to categorize bacteria as gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. This is done based on the physical and chemical properties of their cell walls. The bacteria are differentiated through a series of staining and decolorization steps. Gram-positive cells will stain purple and gram-negative cells will stain red to pink. Rod-shaped bacteria are known as A. Cocci, B. Chromoforms, C. Bacilli, D. Pleomorphic forms. And the correct answer is C. Bacilli. Rod-shaped bacteria are known as bacilli. Bacilli are elongated and cylindrical in shape. They are found in various environments, including soil, water, and human body. Lipid contents is more in A. Gram-negative bacteria, B. Gram-positive bacteria, C. Same in both, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Gram-negative bacteria. Gram-negative bacteria have higher lipid content compared to gram-positive bacteria. Endospores can be stained with A. Safranin, B. Crystal violet, C. Methylene blue, D. Malachite green. And the correct answer is D. Malachite green. Endospores can be stained with malachite green using the Schaefer-Fulton method. The free-floating algae are known as A. Phytoplankton, B. Benthon, C. Seaweeds, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Phytoplankton. Free-floating algae are commonly known as phytoplankton. Phytoplankton are microscopic photosynthetic organisms that float or drift in bodies of water, including oceans, lakes, and rivers. They form the foundation of the aquatic food chain and are crucial for marine and freshwater ecosystems. Which of the following viruses is the largest? A. Parvovirus, B. Poxvirus, C. Rhabdovirus, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Poxvirus. Among the options provided, poxvirus is generally considered to be larger than parvovirus and rhabdovirus. They have large genomes and complex structures compared to many other viruses, including parvoviruses and rhabdoviruses. Therefore, among the options given, poxviruses are typically regarded as the largest. Alpha hemolytic streptococci are also known as A. Streptococcus pyogenes, B. Virulence group, C. Viridans group, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Viridans group. Alpha hemolytic streptococci are also known as Viridans group. They are a diverse group of bacteria that commonly inhabit the human mouth, throat, and gastrointestinal tract. The action of alcohol during gram staining is A. Yellows the color, B. It adds color, C. Decolorizes the cells, D. None of these. And the correct answer is drop your answers in the comment section below. For downloading PDF content and for latest updates, follow our Telegram channel. I have given the link in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching.